How to use Pinterest group board feature. Now, hosting a group board is a great way to curate content or collaborate on projects with others. So, in order to create the board, follow this step. First of all, simply tap on your Pinterest application. After you open the app, simply tap on the plus icon right over here. And here you'll find Start Creating Now, Pin, Collage and Board. To create a board, simply tap on Board. Now simply tap on the board name and you can name it as anything that you like. And if you want to make this board private, you can easily do by tapping over here. But if you turn this off, your boards will be public, and also boards are public by default and anyone can see them. Only collaborators can see private boards. And if you want to scale your group, you can invite collaborators to join this board by taking on this icon, and you can search for your friend's email, or if they use Pinterest and if you know their username, simply search their name. And you can simply add your friends by tapping on add icon, and they will be invited to this collaboration. All they have to do is simply accept and they will be in your board. Now after you set, simply tap on create board. And that's it guys, your board is created. Now if you want to add any pins, you can select on any images. Now this will be pinned. Now tap on done and you're all good to go. You can easily add more by tapping on add, and more ideas organized in this way. You can expand your board. Now if you want to share it, simply tap on share, and you can easily share it through various applications. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily manage or create Pinterest group board feature. Thank you for watching the video.